Hey everyone, I'm from Regrob.com, India's leading real estate brokerage firm, and today we are visiting at Aspiration Azalea project, which is located at Naktala, Kolkata. This project offers 3 BHK residential apartments. This project is built across 0.60 acres of land and consists of a single tower of G+5 floor rise and total comprises of 20 number of units. So friends, this is the main entrance gate. It's an under construction project. This way leads to Garya, and this way leads to Naktala, Toliganj. This project is having 50% open space, and as you can see, this is the surrounding of the project. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for booking, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.